Hello, today we are explaining about our new tool. It is called transducerized smart screwdriver. Transducerized because this tool has some transducer over here, so that whenever you are tightening the screw, it will read the reading of that screw and then it will give the input to the controller. This screwdriver actually is very ergonomics, actually very easy to handle, and this has a torque setting in this tool is manual. One can have a torque cover also on this, so that accidental change is not there, does not happen. The lever actually used is no contact type switch, so that the life is better. Okay, tool also have some indications to tell that about the operation, which we will explain in the later stage. This tool actually comes with the controller. This controller actually is a touch screen controller with Wi-Fi system. So this Wi-Fi system, through this Wi-Fi system, you can communicate to your laptop or your computer, whatever system you are using. The same software will reflect over there. All the settings you can done over here. Now we will explain you, what are the specifications are there. In this controller, you can set minimum torque, maximum torque. You can set the number of screw threads, turns, rotation, or you can set the time for the screw. So any parameters you can define in this controller. And now this is very important to understand. Once you define the parameter maximum and minimum torque, and on the production line, if somebody change the torque, this system will read the torque. When you are doing operation, it will give you the error signal, because the torque coming is not matching to the set torque. This is a very important feature, and it will give you a error signal. Apart from torque, you can set the RPM also. There is a soft start also available. Soft start can be done clockwise or anti-clockwise in this. So soft start is going to help you, actually initial start is good, and so that thread properly sit, and then you can further tight accordingly, right? And this controller also has ports. One is USB port. For example, you want some barcode scanner or something, you can put the barcode scanner over here. Then communication ports are there, RS232 and RS485. This has a multiple I/O inputs and outputs, so that you can control anything from outside, like communicating through the PLC to this controller. The data itself is stored in this, because this has a 16 GB of memory. But still, if you want external data to be stored, so there is a port for putting the card, memory card over here. Counter, actually screw counter is built in this controller, where it will display you that the set number of screw and how many done is also display will come over here, so operator knows what is going on. Then this also has one special feature, it is called stability. For example, some job is very delicate. If you switch on the stability, and if operator is putting too much pressure or something, this tool will sense that, and it will adjust their parameters, so that the delicate job will be done very nicely by adjusting the RPM or something. This will be taken care by stability function. This tool number can be defined in the program. Then after completion of the job, there is a possibility that you can define enable or disable the next job using barcode, using PLC, or by password. Password has 3 levels. One is master, second is manager, third is user. So you can use anyone accordingly. Okay, most of the feature which you can define as enable or disable in this controller. And the tool also has an indication, if the red means problem, green means is okay, that means the screw is okay, and if blue light comes, that means the whole complete job is done perfectly okay. So that data also you can get, and the operator gets the indication that it is okay. Next, this tool is defined by manufacturer that after every 200,000 cycle need to calibrate, and it is a self-calibrating. So there is a procedure how to calibrate the tool. So we will explain when we give the tool to you and explain how to calibrate. So that calibration reminder will automatically come that okay, now you have completed 200,000 cycles, please calibrate the tool, so that you know that okay, now it is time to calibrate the tool, so that your fastening operation is very perfect. Now we will show you the torque accuracy, because this we are using Cedar torque meter, Cedar Japan make torque meter, and this is a controller. So now you please see. .4 and this is 3.4. .3, so tool is very accurate. We are now showing you the counter function. Please see over here. Now it is reset already. We did actually setting for 4 screw. Now we are doing the 4 screw. First done, green light on, and it shows 1 out of 4. Now second is also done, green light. Third is also done, green light. Fourth is also done, green light. And then it shows the blue light, means all 4 done properly within the parameter set. And counter will say all okay, 4/4.
In this we also have some additional feature for the reset. So if you say none, then your operator cannot reset the count. He has no authority to reset the count. Even if he loosen the screw, it will not be reset. The next is single. So in single, even if he tries to loosen the screw, so I will just show you. So right now I will tight one screw first. Shows 1/4. So now once I loosen the screw, it will show 0. It shows 0. So it reverses the count. Now next, for example, I say reset all. So screw counter reset all. So right now, for example, I type 1, I type 2 and 3. Now in case I try to loosen a screw, the whole job will be reset. Example. So it is now 0 of 4. So the operator cannot misguide.